Hi everyone, happy morning to all. Time is very precious, it never comes back. So we should not waste each and every minute in our life. We have to utilize maximum and maximum. Very much precious than anything. It never comes back. That we have to remember always. Minute to minute is valuable in your life. Every person have their hidden talents. They have to take that one out. First, they have to notice what are the weaknesses they are having and what are the strength they are having. Always choose positive strength. Keep aside the negative thing. Some people, what they do after finishing their household work, they simply go and sleep. It is not good for health also. Only 24 hours per day we are having. From that, we have to divide into 3 parts. 8 hours, 8 hours and 8 hours. 8 hours for sleep, 8 hours for household work, and remaining 8 hours for your improvement and for your creativity, for to learn something. Don't waste. Utilize properly. Always build yourself a good citizen and with best personality. External beauty attracts eyes, but your internal beauty captures others' heart. That is most important. Always keep in your mind. Each and every person have their own talents. Some are interested in cooking. They can improve their cooking skills. Some are interested in art. That means drawing, dance, learning music. They can improve in that field only. Some are interested in stitching. Without wasting time, they have to utilize properly. They can create miracles. Time is very valuable thing. Our life is a open book. Without wasting a single minute, you have to use it proper way. In a positive way, proper way and creativity way. In my life, 3 gurus are there. One is my mother, second one is my grandmother, and third one is my auntie. Because of their support only, now I am in this position. I am always grateful to them. At the age of 12 only, I started learning artworks from my mother. She is the first and best teacher in my life. Now she is no more. Even then also I never forget her. Because of her positiveness, energetic and motivation, I am in this stage. At the age of 21 only, I entered in spiritual line. I learned meditation, pranayama, yoga and siddhi. I teach that knowledge to some people. I have done job in that field also for some years. After given my son's birth, I stopped that one. I thought I should not waste my time. Time is precious than other thing. That always I remember. At that time, I started to improve my artworks. I never attended any classes. By planning, preparation and implementation. I learned so many things. Each and everything I learned by myself only. That gives most happiness in my life. I had so many problems, but I never degraded for that. For each and every problem, I make it into positive way. I utilized that one in a positive way. I learned so many things. I conducted handicraft classes also. Now so many of my students started classes by own. They are earning money in an easy way. That is grateful. Like that, we should be always motivate others also. Whatever knowledge you are having, better to share with others. That improves your knowledge and you will become a positive person. Because of positivity, you will always be energetic. Your brain gives positive thoughts. Because of these positive thoughts, you can improve a lot. By the support of my husband and one of my friends, I entered in this YouTube channel. Without their support, it never happened. So, always we need friends, relatives and family support. Must and should. You can gain anything in your life. I want to share what all the art I learned all these years with you. Because of that reason only, I opened this channel. I need all of your support for a long period. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.